Hello, my name is Roger. I'm a rising junior at Valley Christian, and this is milestone 3 of my Wally project. So basically, what I did since my second milestone was that I put together this 3D model, and then I connected it with all of my electrical components. As you can see here, I have like servos that I connected with the 3D model. I have these LEDs. I have I also have like these big servos that I connected together. But basically, I just integrated um, both the uh, electrical components with the 3D printed model that I got. And how this works is basically like there's like an ultrasonic sensor here, basically like based on the distance that your hand is from, or like just an object in general from the ultrasonic sensor. It basically it shoots out like ultrasonic waves, and basically like based on the time it needs to like receive it, it can calculate like the distance that the object is in front of it. So basically, after basically my project just like takes in this input, and then they'll basically send like directions to the rest of my project, and then they'll move accordingly to like the distance that an object is from the ultrasonic sensor. And I'll give a quick demo right here. Basically, when you plug this into my computer, yeah, and basically and then based on like the distance from the ultrasonic sensor, you can see that um, all the electrical components move accordingly, right? So if it's really close, it's like an angry face. And basically, yeah, like my goal is just to like for this robot to like display like simple emotions based on like the distance that you are from this robot. And you can also see there's like an LCD right here that also displays like text. And then some challenges I ran into while I was doing this project. I actually ran into quite a few. One of the biggest challenges was finding screws, because this project actually uses like a big variety of screws of like different sizes and lengths, and it was just like a pain to just go through all the boxes and try to find the screws. And basically, and even then, after I looked through like a lot of boxes of screws, even then some still didn't fit. So one thing I would do is that you could like manually make the holes bigger by just using a screwdriver and just kind of like chipping away at like the hole, and then you can like manually make the hole a little bit bigger. um Another challenge I ran into, I think, was some power issues. Like originally, I soldered uh, this directly into the breadboard, and basically what that would do is because like the wires are kind of short, it wouldn't be very flexible, and also like there would be like some issues in transferring power, and then like occasionally some of my servos wouldn't work. So basically, what I did instead was that I soldered the battery to like a male to male wire, and I used like the heat shrink to just connect them together. And basically after that, it worked a lot better, and then I didn't have any more power issues after that. And overall, it was a pretty, I think, successful process, though. I mean, I got everything working, and that's good. Um, Basically, my future for this project is that uh, the modifications I want to do, I want to include like a Bluetooth module, so I can like maybe like control the emotions on my phone instead of always relying on the ultrasonic sensor. And yeah, that's pretty much my Wally project.